Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about the most common failures on your vehicle that cause you to have to take your vehicle in for service or repair. Let's start with the number one cause, and that is truly the check engine light illumination on your dash, the malfunction indicator light, whatever you want to call it, the little light that comes on that looks like an engine that usually causes people a lot of stress. Can come on for numerous reasons, air-fuel ratio sensors, computer problems, EGR, almost anything emission or electronic that controls drivability on your car. The second most common thing is drivability errors without the check engine light. Once again, all these different sensors, components, etc. Can cause problems on a vehicle, therefore causing a vehicle to not drive properly. Those are the two most common. Cooling system issues. Often coolant leaks. People are unaware. Today's hybrid coolants tend to solidify instead of leak on the ground and become issues. Coolant gets low, overheating. We want to keep an eye on hoses, coolant systems, etc. Starting issues, batteries going dead, starter motors, etc. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB Radio.